Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Davis, local, and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move out of state or across the country, we're here to help. Our long-distance movers will make sure your things are protected throughout transit. We offer all the basic moving services along with the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and in transparent pricing. When you decide to hire a California moving company, it might seem hard to justify the cost. However, a closer look at the main benefits will help. Our movers will make sure your things are fully protected during transit. We also pack you up faster and get you moved quickly. When you hire us, we even keep you from doing any of the heavy lifting. Choosing the right local moving company, such as 3 Movers, offers many benefits. Our team will streamline your move and get you settled in faster. It might take you an entire week to get moved in, even locally. We can move you in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Davis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.